As with Z-level roughing, unsafe area removal can be used in finishing. This option removes small toolpath segments to prevent tool damage when using non-center cutting tools. When machining down into small pockets, removing these small segments stops the central non-cutting underside of the tool from hitting the material. This option filters out the machining of confined areas where there is limited movement of the cutting tool itself. In this example, we're going to look at machining a semi-finishing operation using an inserted cutting tool. Here we have a cavity part, and the area of concern is this pocket inside here. What I want to do is go ahead and just calculate the roughing operation. You can see here we've got a Z-level rough. I'm going to go ahead and play the 3D simulation just to get to the bottom of the pocket. I'm going to choose from the view menu Simulation, use results as starting point. I can now stop the simulation and turn off the roughing. In this case, I'm going to look at the first toolpath, which is the Z-level semi-finishing, using the unsafe area removal switched off. Let's go and choose the region of interest. I'm going to use the Y position, and you note we've got a point here that splits the block halfway through that pocket. If I choose to play the 3D simulation now, I'm going to simulate so far down the part, zooming into the pocket and pausing as we get into this pocket region. So here we can see the motion of the tool, and the size of this region is not large enough for that tool to fully clear the material underneath itself. So what we need to do is we need to use the unsafe area removal tool. We do this by using the option in the toolpath itself. So I'm going to go into the properties of the process, into the Z level, and I'm going to choose Remove Unsafe Areas. In this case I'm going to set the size of 80% of the tool diameter. Apply, say OK, recalculate the toolpath, note that the tool hasn't gone into this region now. If I continue to play to the end, you can see we've removed that segment of the toolpath.